How to make money from Facebook group, 8 best ways. Facebook groups are a great way to make money. You can create a group and offer services or products to the group members. You can also sell advertising space in your group to other businesses. You can also offer group members a discount on your products or services if they join your group. You can also give group members access to special content or offers that you don't offer to the general public. There are several reasons why groups are so popular, including how easy they are to start, maintain, and join, how quickly and easily they can be used to interact with a big number of people, and how they can be used to exchange ideas and information with others in a community. Facebook groups are a fantastic resource for connecting with other like-minded individuals and companies. For instance, groups may have rules governing how frequently members may join, how long they may publish new material, and if members are needed to join. Looking for ways to make money with your Facebook groups? So, let's enumerate the various ways in which money can be made from Facebook groups. Create space for advertising. One way to make money with your Facebook groups is to sell advertising space. Advertising is a great way to make money from Facebook groups. Before you can start making money from advertising, your Facebook group must reach a threshold of 25,000 members. Like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. Also, through your Facebook page, anyone that likes the page can be invited to join your group. Through proper follow-up, this can also increase the number in your Facebook group to reach the threshold, which can enable you to have advertising space. Affiliate marketing. Note of warning: don't try to spam your group. Try as much as possible to provide valuable content and good testimony of the importance of the product or services you are promoting. Offer coaching and consulting. Looking into coaching and consultancy is not a bad idea. No matter the niches you are into, coaching and consultancy can make you a lot of money from Facebook groups. Facebook group is a platform where a community of like minds is built. Coaching the members is a way of not letting the members fall into the hands of the scammers. Even if you are not into coaching and consultancy services as you start your Facebook group, you can also make money from your members through Zoom chats or pay calls. Consider brand partnerships, sponsorship. Brand partnership/sponsorship is another wonderful way to make money from Facebook groups. Let us know how brand partnership and sponsorship can make you money from Facebook. Sponsorship is the process where a brand pays for allowing their product, services, and ads to be posted on their behalf. While brand partnership is the process where you have a partnership with a particular brand for running the group and also offering products and services. Sell products/services to members. Facebook group is a platform to grow the community, which is a wonderful place where different goods and services can be sold. One thing is that the goods or services must be related to the group niche, and also the goods or services must add value to the members. Take for instance, if the niche of a group is affiliate marketing, goods or services must be centered on how the members will become successful in the niche. If your Facebook group is where your goods/services will be promoted, make sure you balance the value of the content given with the goods/services promoted. Offer paid courses. Are you into online course creation? Facebook group is a great place to showcase your skill and talent. All you need to do is to create a course related to the group. If your Facebook group is about email marketing, you need to create a course on email marketing. Collect donations, fundraising. Donation/fundraising is another way how to make money from Facebook groups. If your Facebook group is new and not making money yet, carrying out fundraising or asking for donations from the members is a way of making money from your Facebook group. Engage in paid webinars. Another way to make money from Facebook groups is to sell tickets to webinars or live online training courses, or if you are good at streaming or presenting in front of an audience, one way to make money is through paid webinars. Conclusion: Facebook groups are a great way to connect with like-minded people, share ideas and experiences, and build relationships. Like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. If you're looking for a way to connect with other professionals in your field, a Facebook group is a great option. Thanks for watching.